there is a curfew. How do we see the law and order situation and the political situation in your state?
It's more or less the same. It has, we were thinking that things have come back. I have always been saying it's normalizing what is essentially an abnormal condition. And this incident, this what happens from the first week to date is telling you that exactly. Things are not normal.
So who do you see responsible for this and what is the solution?
Fundamentally, जो भी देश में जो हुआ है, जो भी घटना हुआ है, उसको संभालना, उसको एक नॉर्मलसी में लाना इज अ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. ये तो सरकार का दायित्व बनता है ना. तो यही है. They have done not their responsible behavior, so that's why it's happened.
अपनी प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस पे आपने कई बड़ी बात कही है. आपने ये भी कहा कि लोग वहाँ पर इस एटीट्यूड में आ गए हैं या इस सोच में आ गए हैं कि हम क्या भारत का हिस्सा है भी या नहीं, हमें अलग कर दीजिए. ये क्या बात है? ये ऐसा क्यों लगता है?
Because they think that the government is not protecting their life. Look at these children being killed. They said, वो कौन प्रोटेक्ट करेगा? सरकार का ट्रूप या इन्वेस्टिगेशन जो आप कंट्रोल नहीं कर पाते तो हम खुद करेंगे. यही है ना. तो दे थिंक दैट गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया सेंट्रल सिक्योरिटीज होने के बावजूद ये हो रहा है. So that's what they started. And I have warned, this kind of a feeling जो है, this is dangerous for us. That we need to address this issue. So it's an irresponsible behavior of the government has led to this kind of a situation in a very sensitive border state.
And sir, how do you see the way forward for a solution to this problem?
Yeah, the government of India must have a firm will to rein in, number one, the violence and control these armed groups or individuals. ये पहला condition है. Because state को authority, you can't do whatever you want. There is a state, there is सरकार है भाई, सरकार का law machinery है. You can't take laws into your hand. Whichever group is firing, find it out, crack them on them. That's what I think. And second, to have, generally I have been saying they should have that honesty and clarity of what Manipur is all about.